Hello everybody, we are team of professional designers and engineers and we have lots of experience related to Ansys, CFD and FEA, and other software. If you have any work related to them, then you are at the right place. Feel free to ask anything about your work. Following are some areas which we offer: CFD analysis in Ansys, aerodynamic analysis of any design, steady state flow analysis, transient analysis, heat transfer analysis, structure analysis, stress and strain analysis, fluid mechanics, heat transfer, flow simulation, 2D and 3D simulation of an object, project report writing and many more. If you have special requirement, we can work and help you as per your given instructions. For more details, please visit our website and Facebook page, www.matabengineeringdesignservices.com. Email address, matabali389@gmail.com.